Now, we often talk about the developer experience decisions that have been made by the tech industry and how tools have been made to allow developers to feel nice and comfy and safe so that they can do a simple like npm install, npm deploy, whatever it is, and push a button and things get deployed and things get done. They're just glorified plumbers for code. They don't actually understand anything that they're doing under the hood. Hackers abuse Microsoft clickonce and AWS services for stealthy attacks. Gee, I wonder what this could be. Could this potentially be a developer experience type tool that automatically deploys stuff to the cloud and default configurations it and maybe exposes things that hackers can use? Let's read, shall we? A sophisticated malicious campaign that researchers call One Click has been leveraging Microsoft's clickonce software deployment tool and custom Golang backdoors to compromise organizations within the energy, oil, and gas sectors. Oh, just critical sectors of people's lives. The hackers rely on legitimate AWS cloud services like CloudFront, API Gateway, Lambda, etc., to keep the command and control infrastructure hidden. clickonce is a deployment technology from Microsoft that allows developers to create self-updating Windows-based applications, reducing user interaction to a minimum. And as a result of this automated deployment of Windows-based applications for easy fifis, we have hackers who are using this and abusing it. They combine legitimate tools with custom malware to evade detection. So they send a phishing email with a link to a fake hardware analysis site hosted on an Azure, which is a cloud-based thing like Amazon ecosystem. It delivers a .application file, a clickonce manifest, disguised as a legitimate tool. And then you can, once you've convinced someone to download that, it's over. And you don't actually have to even convince somebody to download that. You just have to put it somewhere that someone will most likely pull it down themselves. You can just say like, hey, use this .application file. It's a clickonce file that deploys this amazing thing for you. And then someone downloads that because they're used to everything being easy, because that's what the tech industry has funded and promoted for upwards of 2 decades. And then they run it, and then they have a backdoor, and then they have access to, you guessed it, just about anything, including the cloud services that are being used that you're deploying via clickonce. One, this is how your information gets out there. If you're a consumer who's watching this, you're not a programmer. It's so dead simple. This stuff should be very easily locked down, and it's not, because what the tech industry has done is they've sold you out. They've sold out your money. You pay money to the tech industry, and then what they do is they sell your data either in front of your face or they sell it inadvertently because they promote developers doing the shortest possible amount of work for the maximum possible amount of dollars earned. Vote with your dollars.